We just added some more protection to our JL. We're going to show you how to get it done. When you take your Jeep out on the trail, you pick up rocks and stones, and they can be thrown out of your tires when you get back onto the highway. This can cause damage to your own vehicle as well as many others, so today we're going to prevent that by installing a set of these Mopar front splash guards fitting your new 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. These Mopar front splash guards feature a durable construction with a black finish to match your exterior fender flares. They include all the rivets to get them installed, plus it's going to provide a ton more protection to your Jeep Wrangler. With that being said, let's get them installed on our 2018 Jeep JL. Tools needed for this installation: a pair of snips, trim removal tool, a drill, 1/4-inch drill bit, and a rivet installation tool. We're at the front driver's side of our Jeep, and we do have the wheel and tire removed just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see what we're doing. We're going to start by removing a few of these clips here on the front fender and get started with the install. In order to install the new splash guards, you have to remove these 2 rivets and then 2 push pins on the inside. These 2 rivets have to be cut off, and then the push pins can be pulled out by a trim removal tool. Next step is the 2 push pins. Use a trim removal tool, get under them. Go ahead and grab your driver's side splash guard. This side is going to be labeled as a left hand. This nice finished edge is going to face in towards the fender flare. Let's get it installed. The 2 rivets that you removed on the outside and then these 2 push pin holes are where the new rivets are going to be installed. Simply line it up like so. Grab one of your rivets and put it through the hole there. Grab your rivet gun. This is definitely a great tool to have if you're going to be doing more modifications. Slide the rivet into the tip, give it a good squeeze. Just like that, it's installed and cut, ready to go. One of the nicest parts about these tools are you can actually borrow them at a local hardware store or an automotive store. Pretty cool tip, and if you don't have one, it makes this install a lot cheaper. Once you have all 4 of these installed, it actually lines it up really nice, and you can drill the hole for this 5th hole here. It's going to go through the splash guard, through the inner fender liner, and then you can install a rivet. Use a 1/4-inch drill bit. It should be nice and simple. It's just thin plastic. Now you're ready to put the rivet on. With that last rivet installed, you can now repeat the same process on the other side, and your installation is complete. We just finished up the install of the Mopar splash guards on the front end of our JL. They look really awesome, and it only took about 30 minutes to install. This is going to prevent debris from flying up on your tire and hitting your Jeep or people behind you. Now you can find these splash guards as well as many other great parts for your JL right here at cjponyparts.com.